Hey plant enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're diving into the captivating world of Pink Princess Philodendron care. With its stunning pink variegation, this plant is a true showstopper in any collection. Stick around to learn all the essential care tips to keep your pink princess thriving and flaunting those beautiful leaves. But before we dive into the care tips, let's get to know our star plant for today. Pink Princess Philodendron, also known as Philodendron erubescens Pink Princess, is a stunning and highly sought-after tropical houseplant known for its striking foliage. It's a variegated cultivar of the more common Philodendron erubescens. The leaves of the Pink Princess Philodendron are characterized by their deep green coloration with vibrant pink variegation, which can appear as splashes, streaks, or even entire sections of pink on the leaves. The combination of the dark green and bright pink creates a captivating contrast that makes this plant a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Pink Princess Philodendron plants are climbers, and they develop a vine-like growth habit. They can be trained to climb up supports, or they can be allowed to trail down from hanging baskets. Due to their unique appearance, they're often used as ornamental plants to add a pop of color and visual interest to indoor spaces. However, it's worth noting that Pink Princess Philodendrons can be a bit more challenging to care for compared to some other philodendron varieties. They have specific requirements for light, humidity, and care routines to maintain their vibrant pink variegation and overall health. These care tips will help you provide the best possible conditions for your Pink Princess Philodendron to thrive and show off its gorgeous foliage. Tip 1. Choosing the right location. First things first, finding the perfect spot for your pink princess is crucial. These plants prefer bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the delicate leaves. A north or east-facing window is usually ideal. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Pink Princess Philodendrons hail from tropical regions, so they adore warmth and humidity. Keep the temperature between 65 to 85 degrees. To boost humidity, you can mist the leaves regularly, place a tray of water nearby, or even use a humidifier. Tip 3. Potting mix and repotting. When it comes to potting, choose a well-draining mix that retains some moisture. A mix of peat, perlite, and orchid bark works great. As your plant grows, you'll need to repot every 1 to 2 years. Don't go too big with the pot, just a size up is perfect. Tip 4. Watering techniques. Proper watering is key to Pink Princess Philodendron care. Allow the top inch or so of the soil to dry before watering. Stick your finger in to check. If it's dry, it's time to water. Be cautious not to let it sit in water, as this can lead to root rot. Tip 5. Fertilizing routine. To keep those stunning leaves vibrant, fertilize your Pink Princess during the growing season every 4 to 6 weeks. Use a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer for houseplants. Tip 6. Pruning for health and aesthetics. Pruning helps your Pink Princess stay healthy and bushy. Trim away any yellowing or dead leaves to redirect energy to new growth. You can also prune to encourage fuller growth and shape the plant. Tip 7. Treating pests and common issues. Keep an eye out for pests like spider mites and mealybugs. If you spot any, isolate your plant and treat it promptly with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Yellowing leaves can signal overwatering, while brown spots might indicate direct sunlight damage. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Pink Princess Philodendron care. With the right balance of light, humidity, and a little TLC, you can enjoy the breathtaking beauty of its pink-flecked leaves for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!